In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Discord full screen and how to exit that mode again. If you'd like to get a larger view of Discord while chatting, managing your server, or watching a screen share, using full screen mode is a quick and convenient option. It removes most of the window borders and gives you more space to focus on your conversations and content. To enter full screen mode, make sure the Discord desktop app is the active window by clicking anywhere inside it. Once Discord is selected, simply press the F11 key on your keyboard. The application will immediately switch to full screen mode, allowing it to take up the entire display. This provides a cleaner viewing experience and minimizes distractions from other windows or applications that may be open on your desktop. Full screen mode can be especially helpful if you're spending long periods of time in Discord, whether you're reading through busy channels, participating in voice chats, or watching someone's live stream. Having more screen space makes everything easier to see and navigate. If pressing F11 doesn't seem to do anything the first time, make sure Discord is the active window before trying again. On some keyboards, especially laptops, you may need to hold the Fen key while pressing F11 if the function keys are assigned to media controls by default. In that case, simply press Fn and F11 together to activate full screen mode. When you're ready to leave full screen mode, the process is just as simple. Press the F11 key again, or Fen Rand and F11 if your keyboard requires it. Discord will immediately return to its normal windowed view, allowing you to access your desktop and other applications as usual. Since the F11 key works as a toggle, you can switch between full screen mode and the standard window view anytime you want. There's no need to adjust any settings or change any preferences. Just press the same key again whenever you'd like to enter or exit full screen mode. And that's all there is to it. Using the F11 shortcut is one of the fastest ways to maximize your viewing area in Discord and switch back whenever you need to. It's a simple shortcut that's worth remembering if you regularly use Discord on your computer. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,